Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on a skipped alarm automatically on your Samsung phone or Android phone. And this works best if you have like a repeated alarm set up on your phone and it has multiple occurrences. You can easily go ahead and skip to the next occurrence. And I'm going to show you step by step what I mean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my clock right here and I'm going to go to alarm, right? So once I'm here, I'm going to simply go ahead and just turn on the alarm, which is this currently one, and I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to choose multiple days. So let's say I want this for Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and I'm going to simply click and save. Now, all you have to do once you go in and have that alarm set, if you turn this off, you'll have the option that says turn on back and Tuesday. If I tap this option, it will skip to Tuesday. As you can see, turn back on for Tuesday. You can tap on that and it will go ahead and skip for Monday. So guys, that's how you can easily go ahead and turn on a skipped alarm automatically on your Samsung phone or Android phone.